Hello. In this example, we are going to go over synthetic substitution. So it is a little different than synthetic division, which was we are going to find factors after a given function. This one, we're just testing to see what a certain value would get us. So as you can see, we have f of x, which is x cubed minus 2x squared minus 3. All we're looking for is f of negative 2. What that means is I need to replace x with negative 2 every time I see it. This is how we solve for synthetic substitution. That is pretty much it. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8. This is going to be minus 2. Negative 2 squared is a positive 4. Minus 3. We see this is negative 8, and negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. And we can combine this slowly and surely. We see that we get negative 19 after substituting negative 2 in for x. And that is how we do synthetic substitution and finding f of negative 2 given that function. If you have another question, please send me an email. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great day.